Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the HAZET 163-528-56 wrench set. Your ultimate solution for precision and organization. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, this set is built to last, delivering superior strength for any job. With recessed grips for quick removal and a two-toned soft foam insert for perfect organization, you'll never lose track of your tools again. The HAZET Safety Insert System ensures every piece is snugly embedded, making your workspace efficient and tidy. Whether you are an automotive technician or a DIY enthusiast, this HAZET wrench set is your go-to for versatility and reliability. Get yours today and experience the difference.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.